Hey guys, welcome back to another Lego build. In this video we are going to be doing Lego City Police Car, set number 60312, and it has 94 pieces. So with that, let's just get straight into the build. Alright guys, we now finished the police car. Can't really turn it like other ones, but you know, it's okay. So, got the little police minifigure. I can't tell if this is a flashlight or a gun, but either way, it's alright. To put him inside the police car, just take the top off and this tight fit that's in here. Yeah. Come on. Get on. Okay. Just throw the flashlight in there too. Then, got a little police car that looks like a Dodge Challenger or whatever. Something. Yeah. But, I like this. It's a nice little cheap build. It's like $8 US. There is only 94 pieces, which is a little expensive for 94 pieces. I don't really know, because usually you get around 130 like this one. But that's going to be all for this. I hope y'all enjoyed, and if you did, be sure to smash that like button because support means a lot to me. And I will see you all in the next video, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.